Just going to have a look at this engine, BSA Bantam engine, D7 I think. Oh, it's got FD7, it's got D7 at the top. So I'd imagine it is a D7, don't know the difference, but never worked on these before. Ancient engines, really heavy. But I've got to strip it all down and check it over and probably rebuild it as well, if I can. We're just going to have a look at the rotor and stators today. All the electrics inside here, I don't know what's in here, never looked. I haven't got a manual for it either, so. But that's just 3 flathead screws. You don't get that these days. This is probably the oldest engine I've ever worked on. Done a lot of 70s Hondas, but okay, there's another layer. I like that though, BSA. So all flatheads again. Well, 2 of them. Oh, that's a positive drive, someone's changed that. Or Phillips anyway. Right, so let's look at the wind. Oh, okay, so it points, obviously, being old. Looks like it's got some sort of wind in there though. Condenser points. I don't know a lot about these point systems. Well, they had a lot to them really, but anyway, it looks like that could be. That looks like the charging winding. So basically, all I can do is just test that really. So I'll just test the winding on that. Because it's going out here, it's got nothing to do with the point system. There, that looks like another end of the windings. So there could be other windings in there, but I'm just going to check this one. I've got to strip this down a bit further, but it's got timing marks on by the looks of it as well, timing. That's saying 1.2 ohms, that, which I imagine is the charging winding, but I don't know for sure. Might just undo these. Well, that one. It's just magnetic thinking that. But it's pretty tough. You can see the timing moving. The points are opening and closing. Right, I'll turn the camera off and I'll see if we can get it out. So I'm struggling to take that off at the minute. But there is definitely other windings in there. So the all could be one, or that could be a signal like a crankshaft position sensor, and the other 2 the charging. I don't know, I've got to do a bit more here, I've got to get a book for it, but I can't get this off either, and I don't want to damage anything. So that's it for today. I'll just take the barrel and head off next.